即马所谓时代纸本的印刷，即马已经是愈来愈稀微。印刷册较无啊，毋过即马呢，一年一届纽约国际古董册展览已经开始在展出。内底呢有这抹毒的有毒册，也是用人的皮肤所做的皮肤册，奇奇怪怪拢有，带乡亲同齐来看。
古珠商伊安卡恩以手内摕这本土黄色无啥大本的书。 伫纽约国际古董珠大展标售的价销是45000美金，换算台票144万。卡恩讲，这本1682年做的珠正特别，因为伊是用人的皮肤做的。
So this was bound in 1682 by a medical student who was studying medicine in Paris. He was a Spaniard and didn't know anyone, so he was going to theater. He went to see a play called Liberon, which he liked so much he bought a copy in sheets. A short time later, the actress who had performed in this appeared on his autopsy table. And the only way you end up in an autopsy theater in 1682 is if your body's unclaimed. And he knew that when they were done, she would go into a mass grave and be lost forever. So he took it upon himself to take a section of her back, process it to parchment, and bind what is most likely the last play she performed in her skin.
除了正惊人的人皮珠以外，300多本19世纪中期出版、珠皮用砒霜染色的有毒的珠，也正惊人。为了要保护消费者的安全，每一本珠也个加手笼，也个隔离的底下。4月初，一个曼哈顿的纽约公园大道军械库，这栋有历史性的宗教建筑物所举办的纽约国际古董珠大展，已经有64年的历史。规模加展出的珠、地图、插图、版画，也个手稿，规模也让讲是世界第一。今年有来自15个国家，要加200位珠商参加展览。 包括各种奇奇怪怪古珠，一个成本印刷，让人看甲目睭花。真正为了要纪念美国作家楚门科波提100岁名单，用1000多粒要加37啊重的白酸椒，倒伫咧北京轻架顶头所包装的一本蒂凡尼早顿小说，方面用1950年代曼哈顿望基庄轨路系统做设计灵感。伫咧第5大道甲57街挖角的所在，也就是珠宝公司蒂芙尼旗舰店的所在，放一粒阿玛迪7罐的纳宝珠，一本珠光闪闪的珠要150万美金。公司新闻王慧文编写。